At Integrity Skincare and Wellness, I specialize in microcurrent. Microcurrent may not be familiar to a lot of people, but it is something that helps with toning the skin, and it helps to mimic the skin's own natural electrical field. So at Integrity Skincare, I have a multitude of ways to do microcurrent. So I wanted to share some of those with you. Many of you may have seen this Clairblend Mini, which is a small handheld unit that is sold for home use, but it can also be used in the treatment room to produce cellular energy in the skin. It's less used for toning than it is for creating cellular energy. Then there is the traditional method of doing microcurrent, which is typically with the probes that have the metal balls on the end. Some have the 2 balls, some have just 1 ball. And with these, you're able to actually pull the skin and tone the muscle tendons. So these are good for large areas with larger muscles on the face, such as the sides of the cheeks where the larger chewing muscles are. Then when you get into the smaller areas of the face, there are smaller muscles. And so these pinpoint microcurrent wands are excellent for getting those tiny little muscles that are between the nose and the eyes and up between the eyebrows and around the eye muscle and the mouth muscle. If you would like to have a more relaxing and Eastern influenced treatment, we can use these brass or bronze Kanza gua sha tools that are connected to the microcurrent machine. And this way we're able to do gua sha while providing microcurrent to the skin. This will help both with toning as well as creating cellular energy for the skin. If you wanted something that was more relaxing and massage oriented, we are able to do microcurrent using massage gloves. This is a really nice way to still get the benefits of the cellular energy of the microcurrent, as well as the massage movements that can provide the acupressure toning moves needed for toning the muscles, as well as the lymph drainage and just the overall relaxation of having a facial massage. There are a few other unique ways of using microcurrent that a lot of people aren't familiar with. One is by using a microcurrent mask, we are able to provide a microcurrent eye treatment, which will help with the fine lines around the eyes. And it also helps with infusing a eye serum around the eye area. And then finally, we have what is called a microcurrent infusion device. And what this does is helps to provide microcurrent over the entire face, because this is put on over a sheet mask that is put onto the skin. And so the microcurrent gets infused through the sheet mask, and there's a ground point that's also attached to the client. And then after a treatment, the skin is fully hydrated and infused with microcurrent and cellular energy. So there are a lot of amazing ways to have a microcurrent treatment, and all of these ways are available at Integrity Skincare and Wellness in Linwood.